Hello, boys and girls， 上课喽 ！OK， 你要赶紧来看 Teacher Sue 的 video because guess what? There are 2 more videos left. This video and then the last video. Oh my gosh! 时间是不是过得超快的呢？Yeah, I can't believe it too. A part of me is gonna be like a little bit sad because I won't get to tell you 上课咯。And then another part of me is gonna be like, yay! I don't have to spend like hours and hours on Sunday night to film the video and then later I have to edit it. And sometimes I don't sleep until like 3:30 a.m. just for you guys. All just for you. Okay, so 你们要赶紧珍惜 Teacher Sue 的影片，因为我的未来的目标真的是要开一个我自己的平台 ，OK， 我只是现在真的没有时间弄，因为我1、3、4、5、6日都有家教。I have tutor classes. So after 新生 at night, I go to tutor classes and it's like so busy. 那你也知道，拍一个影片还要上字幕，还要剪接什么，根本没时间弄啊！想要自己开一个频道，没办法啊，因为要花很多时间。So, you know, better stay tuned to my videos while I'm still doing it right now. Okay, so today is Monday, May 20th. Today is May 20th, and I'm your prettiest teacher, Teacher Sue. Okay, and you know we only have a couple of days before the speech contest, and I'm getting really a little bit nervous for some of you because I've only heard your speech one time, and that one time 可能是你第一次念过的，然后我不是跟你们讲说每一天至少最少 the least 都要念2遍吗？你们有这样做吗？ Okay, so if you didn't, you're gonna be kind of in trouble on Wednesday. I'm not joking with you. I'm totally serious with you. Okay, practice in front of a mirror. I tell you all the time. 在你的那个镜子面前练习讲出来，不要只有用眼睛看而已，因为有一些你们的字实在太难了。如果你不练习讲出来，你就 KK 的 like 卡卡的 like stuck and it won't be very natural. OK, 这个是对自己的要求啦。Teacher Sue 也是，就是每次要拍影片，我都会想说，到底要跟你们讲什么，流程是什么？你不要想说我是一 one take 到底哦，我是刚刚那个开头啊，我录了5遍。这个开头，现在这个开头我录了5遍，这个是 the 5th time， 我才觉得说，讲的稍微有一点就是像样一点，不然之前就是咔 take 2 take 3 take 4 take 5 okay, so good luck to all of you for the speech contest on Wednesday. So from now on until the middle of June, we're going to be in a bit of a rush to finish all of our lessons from the English chess book because we're going to be missing about 2 classes this week. 因为演讲比赛的关系，我们这个礼拜会应该是会少2堂课，所以我的课呢就会上的有点赶到最后，所以 please mind that Teacher Sue is going to speed up the pace a bit, and 我礼拜5就有跟你们讲说 so Wednesday is the speech contest, so Friday 如果还有一些人还没有 finish 的话 so Friday will be as well, 然后我就如果第2节课没有的话，那我就直接考试了所以你们要准备好哦，不要说 Oh my god, I didn't know there was a test. 上个礼拜讲过了 video 也讲过了 so it's going to be on the lesson 2, the cell cakes, babysit, travel around the world 那一课我就直接考那一课了。然后在这个 video 里面呢，我也会go over the new lesson, okay? New lesson. 我已经要开始新的 lesson 2 because I told you we're going to be behind a little. 所以我已经想要开始这个新的 lesson as well. So you'll find that here in this video. So for now, let's go to the flashcards first. I graded all of your quizzes already. 其实还蛮多人get the travel around the world wrong. Travel around 那个 around 拼错了，还有 travel 拼错了。其实也很多人把 fluently 拼错了 还有 volunteer 也拼错了 OK so I told you these are very important words to know these are going to come back OK they're not going to go away alright so let's review it together OK sell cakes spell it babysit spell it travel around the world spell it T-R-A一起念 earn money volunteer speak fluently okay so flashcards time yes I'm going over this really quickly 这个会出现在你的 unscramble part of the test which I think a lot of you don't have any trouble with But 不过这里有一些字 you need to know 大多人做 exercise exercise 不会拼这个 exercise is a common word we exercise almost every week you guys alright repeat with me where can I exercise why don't you join a gym spell exercise okay next one where can I go to study English how about the UK or Australia? 一大多人把 first aid 拼错哦 What can I do to learn first aid? Why don't you take a first aid class? Spell first aid. Okay. Where can I go to study Spanish? How about Spain or Mexico? Okay, what can I do to help the environment? Why don't you use cloth bags or recycle? Okay, environment. Ready, go. 还有 recycle. Last one. Where can I go to study French? How about France or parts of Canada? Okay, so recycle, environment. Okay, you gotta know. First aid, exercise, these 4 words. Now I'm going to turn to the reading for this unit. And I can't say this enough. Don't get this wrong on the test. A lot of you get like 3 wrong and that's like 6 points gone already. Okay, get to know the content. Know the content. So everybody turn to page 73. 我们好久没有讲这个 Kids Magazine. 它的 English Dream 是什么？Okay, 你必须要知道说, how will she improve her English by doing what and where does she want to visit? Okay, there are 2 places. Okay, so let's read it together. Ready, set, go. My English dream. I like English very much, but I want to speak and write much better than now. Maybe I can read stories in English. I like sports, so I can read about famous soccer players. 记住. Okay, I'm giving you hints for the test. Okay, I want to enjoy English. I like animals too, so I can read and listen to animal stories. I want to study English in another country. Where can I go? Maybe I can go to Britain. 记住. I want to visit London. There are many parks and wonderful old buildings. Maybe I can go to Australia. 记住. There are lots of interesting animals there. I want to see koalas, kangaroos, and emus. 记住. I think my English is getting better and better. In the future, I want to speak English fluently. Maybe I can travel around the world and speak English with people in many different countries. 记住. That's my dream. Okay, I gave you all the hints to the content of the magazine article. Okay, so I think we're about done talking about the student book. Okay, I am going to go ahead on the Spotlight Reading book. All right, 所以 Unit 13会考哦. Okay, Unit 13, the Spotlight Reading. And I told you, okay, so everybody turn to page 102. 102, 这个 vocabulary words, okay? Know the vocabulary words, of course. Okay, applications, hotels, snacks, shrimp, noodles, tourist attractions, museum, mountain, route. Okay, those are all the vocabulary words that are going to show up on the test. Okay, 还有future tense， 其实这是我第3次讲 future tense。我说这个 tense 是最简单的，因为你只要记得 will 跟 be going to。OK，be going to 就是 like is going to, are going to， 将会怎么样怎么样，而且动词不改，重点是动词都不改。OK， 所以我必须要跟你说，就是 an hour later， 注意这个时间点，因为平常会忘记加那个OK， 要变成 an 哦。OK，an hour later。OK， 其他的有 the day after tomorrow，tonight 也算哦，也算未来式哦。OK， 肯定句跟否定句 will and won't， 记得 will and won't， 还有 be going to。OK，isn't going to, aren't going to. OK， 那是否定的。我现在只是快讲解这个 grammar point 而已。OK，so will Dambo call me? OK, is Dambo going to call me? OK, again 用 will 跟 be going to. Yes, he will. OK, yes, he is. No, he isn't. 请你记得这个就是问句加回答。OK， 下一个部分呢 OK， WH 的问题 Who will he visit? OK, asking who. He will visit his grandma. OK, who is he going to visit? He is going to visit his grandma. OK, 最后还有一个 grammar point. 耶，最后一个 grammar point 啦。OK， 最后一个 grammar point 是在指There will be 加名词 There will be 加名词 For example, there will be a party this weekend. Okay? There will be a party. 这本周将会有一个派对 Okay? There will be. Or you can say there is going to be a party this weekend. Alright? 所以最后这边呢右边的角落 Okay? I told you need to know what these words mean. Going, coming, leaving, arriving, traveling 等OK， 比如 My pen pal is coming to Taiwan next year. My uncle is arriving in Taiwan tomorrow. He's coming from Seattle. Okay, again, I use arriving and coming. All right, so please get to know that too. All right, now that we're done, 我礼拜五也是会 go over 你们 workbook， 所以我们礼拜五超多事情要做的，我真觉得我做不完啦。OK， 对了，我忘记了，还有个 workbook 要改才能 get to the test。OK， 希望可以就是2个都弄完，拜托那个 speech contest 不要拖太久。All right, so now Teacher Sue is going to introduce a new unit. Ta-da! Change of clothes. Notice that this is like very big on me. Yeah, this t-shirt is totally big on me. It's like my pajama. Okay, yeah. Notice I have the Chinese Taipei 徽章哦. All right, so we're going to go to a new unit, and this is lesson 3. We have 2 more lessons left in this book. So go to page 76 in your book. And this lesson is as easy as the last lesson in terms of grammar, I think. Okay, we're going to be talking about should and shouldn't. Should and shouldn't. So for example, the title of this lesson is called You Should Have Studied Harder. You should have prepared more. Okay? 所以 should 是什么意思呢？我之后会问你们哦。Should and shouldn't. Should and shouldn't. Okay, 所以 in this lesson again, 你会学到怎么用 should 跟 shouldn't 来造一个句子，来表达说你要做什么。Okay, 不做什么，我差一点讲出来。Okay, here are the vocabulary words. Okay, stay up late. Stay up late. Drop. Drop. Cross the street. Cross the street. Eat too much. Eat too much. Have an accident. Have an accident. Hit. Hit. Okay. So please look up all these words. I think they're pretty noticeable. 看得出来其实全部的。可能 stay up late, you might not know the exact meaning, but I think the other ones, you all should know what the meaning is. Okay, so let's go to the language test, part B. I failed the test. Well, you should have studied harder. Number 2, I'm very tired. You shouldn't have stayed up late. OK， 这个都是如果人家跟你讲，然后你可以回答人家怎么回答，就 you should blah 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 blah, you should have blah 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 blah, you shouldn't have blah 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 blah. I hurt myself. Well, you should have been more careful. OK， 常常妈妈或老师或者是我会跟你们讲的 ，like duh， 我还是最后还会加个 duh。OK, duh means like, well, isn't that common sense? That kind of attitude. OK. Section C. Let's go to page 77. 77. Time for the dialogue. Okay, this is a conversation between Jeff and Amy. Okay, ready, set, go. What happened? My sister nearly had an accident. She crossed the street when the signal was red. Ooh, she shouldn't have crossed the street. I know, she should have been more careful. Maybe she was daydreaming. Well, she shouldn't have been daydreaming. This guidebook was very expensive. What does it say? It says we should say thank you and we should say sorry. Well, what else? It says we shouldn't buy expensive things. Well, it's too late. So in this conversation, the blue words, for example, what Jeff said, what happened? This is such a good question to ask people, like, oh, what happened to you? Ooh. Okay, 你发生什么事啦? Okay, this is a common question. You should know this one already. And then Amy answers, well, my sister had nearly had an accident. She crossed the street when the signal was red. 其实这个事情常常发生呢，我觉得，因为大家可能都是在这样，对不对？包括 Teacher Sue 有时候也会，我必须要承认。I have to admit that too. Like, it's totally a bad habit. Sometimes I do that. And then, oh my God, signal red. Why am I walking? You know, 就真的要小心，不然真的人你会被车撞 ，OK？ 或者是 motorcycle， 或者是 bus，and we don't want that to happen. Okay, so she crossed the street when the signal was red. Well, Jeff said she shouldn't have crossed the street. Well, 不应该嘛，对，我讲出了，我讲出来了。OK， 对。Yeah, she shouldn't have crossed the street. Well, I know she should have been more careful. 要小心，要小心。对，我承认，真的要小心。Okay, let's go on to section D. Section D. Please do that for homework. Please do that for homework. There's only 4 questions anyways. Okay, so number 1. What happened to Amy's sister? Didn't I talk about she had an accident? Okay, so write something down. Number 2, why did Amy's sister nearly have an accident? Number 3, what shouldn't her sister have done? Number 4, what does the guidebook say? By the way, guidebook 你们知道是什么吗？我觉得这个 guidebook 现在不太流行，因为我们都也是 like look it up on the internet and look it up on your phone. We wouldn't really like buy a book, but 也可能差不多10年前，大家还会去可能书局去买这些 guidebook。去旅游之前会买这种，就是好像旅游书之类的。然后会回家研究说，哦 if I go to Japan, you know, I can go to these places. 现在就上网查就好啦。Alright, so guidebook 就是像就是像旅游，也不是像旅游，就是 it tells you what to do. It's a book that tells you what to do. Okay, 领导你去做什么啦。Okay, 建议你去做什么。That's what I mean. Okay, so it says like you should say thank you and sorry. And you shouldn't buy expensive things. Okay, that's what it suggests to do. Duh! Okay, duh. Before I move on to the Spotlight Reading Book, the new lesson, I need to tell you that Sean L, Sean C and Justin 这三个人，两个人没有搬椅子，一个人把垃圾丢在你的 desk 里面 OK 我都有拍照录影为证哦，所以你们礼拜我看看我们下一次上课可能不需要扫地跟那个倒垃圾，但是礼拜五的时候你们三个需要做。Alright, so this is our classroom for the Cicada class, and the third one, Sean L. 点名你咯 You didn't put up your chair. You didn't put up your chair. 所以你礼拜三可以 stay after class 了 OK. 还有 Sean C. 也要留下来，没有搬椅子。Going to the Spotlight Reading Book, Unit 14. Okay, again, we only have 3 more units left. This is going by pretty fast too. Unit 14, page 109. Unit 14, page 109. Shopping at the supermarket. So, do you like to shop at the supermarket with your mom or your dad? Okay, actually, I love shopping at the supermarket because I usually go to the candy section and the cookie section and then the chip section. And then I like to shop what kind of cookies I like to buy and candy too. So I like shopping at the supermarket and I like shopping at Costco too and 大润发、家乐福都超爱的全联 Yeah, totally. Okay, so looking at the picture, answer these questions. Where are the mother and daughter? Where are the mother and daughter? And write down your answer. Number 2, how many pumpkins are they getting? How many pumpkins are they getting? Well, look in the shopping cart. Okay. 那这个单元的 reading skill is making inferences. 就是推论的意思 inference. 这种问题很常在大考那种考试什么 GEPT 考试啊看到 OK 所以推论就是他给你一些资料然后你之后要去推论说他之后会发生什么事情那之后我们在上课的时候我们可以一起念这个中文 because you guys know that I need help with the Chinese as well. Alright, moving on to 110. Shopping for groceries. And before I go to the reading, I'm of course going to go through the yellow words. So let's say it together. Okay, grocery. Items. Section. Lettuce. Goods. Cart. Frozen. Dairy. 这个字又出来了 Dairy. Dumplings. Total. Notice I didn't say total, okay? Total. Okay, so look up all these words by yourself. I think these are easy. Again, I think all of them are easy. You might not know what section and goods are, but I think you should know what all the other words mean, okay? And then for homework, please do 110. Okay, please do 110. And I'm going to go over the reading right now. Let's read this paragraph together. Shopping for groceries. Ready? Get set. Go. This afternoon, Mom and I did some grocery shopping at the supermarket. Mom made a long shopping list. There were many items on the list. First, we went to the vegetables and fruit section. We got 2 pumpkins, a head of lettuce, a box of grapes, and some carrots. Then, we went to the dry goods section. Mom took 2 packs of flour and a pack of sugar. I put a bag of rice, a box of strawberry cookies, 3 large bags of candies, and a bottle of ketchup in the shopping cart. The next 2 items on the list were a dozen eggs and 2 bottles of salt. We got them all too. We always get frozen and dairy food fast. We got a pack of dumplings, a bottle of milk, 2 boxes of ice cream, and 3 packs of cheese. We also got 2 kilograms of beef. All of the items cost us 2,480 NT in total. Tomorrow we'll buy some monster masks and lots of candies, and we'll be ready for a big party. Okay, that's a lot of food, actually. I'm looking to the second paragraph. It's like pumpkins, you got lettuce, grapes, carrots, and then they got flour, sugar, rice, strawberry, cookies, candy, ketchup. That's 10 items already. 还有 eggs and then salt. 12 items. 然后加上下一个 paragraph. Dumplings, milk, ice cream, cheese. 16 items. Oh, and beef. 17 items. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of things. Okay. And a total of 2,480 NT. Oh, actually, that's kind of cheap if you think about it. Nowadays, like, food prices are kind of high. So with all the food that they bought, actually, I thought it was okay. So for homework, what you need to do is number 1 to 5. Number 1 to 5就是会讲它的 vocabulary 的部分。Okay, 请你做 number 1 to 5. So the last thing before I end this video is my bonus question. Yes, please leave a comment under my video with these spotlight reading words. Okay, Frozen, Dairy, and Angela. Okay, Frozen, Dairy, and Angela. And please make a sentence and leave a comment in my YouTube video. Don't forget, all right? For now, this is Teacher Sue. I'm not going to have a 吃播 today because the video is running kind of long. So I will see you guys all on Wednesday. Very nervous, okay? Hope you guys are all ready for your speeches and your tests on Friday. Okay, bye-bye.